Hello guys and girls, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's really a pleasure to have you here on this video today. I want to take this moment to talk to you about something that I believe is very important, and that is the idea that you don't need a huge capital to succeed in forex trading. I know that many of us believe that the more money we have to invest, the greater our chances of success. But I'm here to tell you that this simply isn't true. In fact, some of the most successful traders I personally know started with very little trading capital. Success in forex trading is not about how much money you have to invest. It's about your knowledge, your skills, and your discipline. It's about understanding the market, having a solid trading strategy, and sticking to that trading strategy even when things get tough. Of course, having more money to invest can certainly be an added advantage, but it's simply not the most important factor. In sometimes, having a lot of money can be a liability, as it can lead to overtrading, taking too much risk, and making poor trading decisions. So I encourage you to focus on building your knowledge and skills as a trader rather than worrying about how much money you have to invest. Learn from just successful traders. Develop a solid trading plan and stick to that plan no matter what. Remember, success in forex trading is not about luck. It's about hard work and dedication. It's about being disciplined, patience, and having the courage to stick to your convictions even when others doubt you. So I challenge you to believe in yourself and your abilities as a trader, and to know that you don't need a huge capital to succeed. With the right mindset, the right tools, and the right approach, you can achieve success in forex trading no matter how much money you have to invest. Thank you for listening, and I wish you all the best of luck in your trading journey. Please take this time to hit the like button without forgetting to subscribe and turn the notification bell icon on.